it's a very interesting market. For instance, you probably don't know that that the herd size today is at its lowest level since 1950, and that has created a real tight supply in the market. Or we talk about macro and the impact of tariffs, but a lot of our beef imports are from Brazil. And at a 50% tariff, that's actually a big problem because a lot of those costs are going up in sort of, let's call it the cheap beef that's coming into the U.S. market.
For like the fast casual burgers.
Exactly. It's coming from Brazil supply, and that's 50% tariffed, and that actually is a real problem when it comes to prices. Or I mean, not to mention the Mexican screwworm, which is really caused some challenges with Mexican supply. Which
it's not a joke, people. There's an actual thing called the Mexican screwworm.
Not a joke. So anyway, this is it was a little bit. I wrote a blog piece about it recently as well, just kind of getting into these markets that I wouldn't normally spend any time thinking about, but they're bigger. Live cattle's been sort of a march up and to the right, pretty much more than any other agricultural commodity. And so I went down the rabbit hole on live cattle,
which is an odd, because grains have been going down and to the right massively, right? They're at all-time lows, which you would, right? That's what the cattle are eating to fatten up. So usually those two would be more correlated. So yeah.